now let's try to manipulate the print function. So if you all notice, you can see that every time we use print function, the output will be in a single line. So let's say we don't want to have this the output in single line. Let's say we want it display in multiple line, maybe 2 or 3 line. So how we are going to do that? So the obvious answer is by using multiple print screen. So let's say print this is the first line, and print this is the second line. So when you print, the output will be this is the first line on the first line, and the next line will be this is the second line. So let's say for whatever reason you don't want this kind of thing, maybe you want to be written in one single print function, but the output will be in 2 different lines. So what we need to do is, let's delete the second line. So what we can do is to use escape character. So escape character allow us to manipulate the output of the string. So in order for us to make a new line for the next string that we're going to write here, is we use /n. /n means that you are asking the program to print whatever written after /n in this new line. So this is the first line, /n. This is the second line. And note that the escape character will be not displayed in the output terminal. So when we print out this, even though it is written in a single line, in one single print function, but the output is in 2 different lines. So why this is happening? It is because of the escape character that we used earlier. So /n for the new line function, and other than /n, we also have \t. So basically what \t did is tap is actually tap function. So you can see that this is the first line, and in between line and this, you can see that there is a space there. This is actually a tab. And we have many more escape character actually, but in this session we only use these 2. We are mostly use these 2 things, tab and new line. But you can explore more. I have provided link in the lecture note, but now I want just to use new line because this is what we usually use, new line. So this is the first line, this is the new line. Okay. So now we all cover all the things regarding the string, working with string, and the function to manipulate the string. Now we want to move on to next topic, which is list.